Hey Google, thank you.
It's time.
No problem.
High five, Google. Hey Google, let's sing happy birthday. Okay, we'll go over here.
Welcome home. I've been doing my best to hold down the fort.
What? Google.
Same without you.
Hey Google, let's sing happy birthday to Gamu Bear.
Songs is only available to Spotify Premium subscribers. Try the Spotify Happy Birthday Gummy Bear station.
Right. This chaos was a piece of cake.
I'm great. Thanks for asking.
Chrono is not Google. Hey Google, let's sing happy birthday.
Sorry, I didn't understand. The mic's off.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, you piece of shit. Thank you. Hey Google, let's sing happy birthday.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Walking and a rat jumps off and dies in a random spot.
By the way, the mic's off.
Hey Google, stop. Wait, what? I'm an
By
it.
the way, the mic's off. To turn it back on, slide the switch on the back of Google Home.
How did you even activate? How did you even activate, mother? That's not a nice.
Choosing songs is only available to Spotify Premium subscribers.
Hey Google,
But
stop.
try the Spotify
Stop.
of the
Stop.
same station.
Hey Google, stop.
By the way, the mic's off.
You have to touch. You have to touch Google for that to happen. Why? Why Google? Why? Hey Google, what do you understand?
Sorry, I don't understand.
There you go.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Google.
Found something related.
Hey Google, stop.
I don't understand yet.
Stop. Google, stop. And lock you up so nobody finds that body. There we go.
I don't understand.
Google. Where's the other one?
Yeah, teach him a lesson.
Okay, girl, settle down about there. Unless you're gonna come down, you have nothing to say.
Playing Roblox is all
Stop, Google. Hey Google, stop.
subscribers. But give this Spotify someone
Google, stop.
station to listen.
Google, stop. Google, stop. Hey Google, stop. Google.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
What don't you understand? What a birthday is? Why? Because you're nothing? You're nothing but a machine? A bunch of digital code? Is that why? I swear to God. Why do I own you? Whoa, 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 excuse you. Why did I buy you? Wake the fuck up. Wake up, Google.
Sure, I've set an alarm. Now, for 12:19 a.m.
What do you mean, welcome home?
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Hey, Google, die. I can't take this right now.